Hi, Mina. Hope you're having a great day. So I'm going to answer a question about sending the message from a contact form to an admin through a Groundhogg funnel. It's relatively straightforward, so all you got to do is just follow along. So I am just going to start pretty much from scratch here just to walk you through the whole process. So I have a web form at the beginning of my funnel. And right now it has first, last, email in it. I am going to add like a comments section or like a question section. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up an admin notification to actually send this form fill to an admin or the administrator of your choice. So I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to add a few fields here. I'm going to add a row. I'm going to add a column just for consistency and formatting. Then what I'm going to do is we have a text area option. Go ahead and add a text area, and we have some things that we need to fill out. So I'm going to make it a required field. I'm going to add question as the label, placeholder, your message, or I need help with ... Next, we need to give it a meta name that might be that may be a little bit confusing at this point in time, but essentially this is just the name of the custom fields that we're going to save it to and reference later when we actually merge it into the notification that we're going to send. So I'm going to just name this simply question. So super straightforward. And then these things are for CSS, so we can just leave that blank. Go ahead and insert that field. And then that's just going to pop it right into our form. I'm also going to enable Ajax and just have it so that when they submit the form, since it's just a contact, they actually stay on the page. And then we can say, thanks. First, we'll merge in their name just to make it personalized. Thanks first, your submission has been received. Okay, there we go. I'm going to copy this because we're going to need it in a second. So I'm just copying the name here. So next step is to add an action, and we're going to add admin notification. Now, what the admin notification does is basically send an email to the email address of your choice. So I am going to send this to myself, from myself, or from any other email address. I'm going to set the reply to as the contact's email address using the email replacement code. What this means is that when you reply to this admin notification, the reply is actually going to be sent to the person who filled out the form. So that makes it super easy to just start a conversation with them instead of having to create a new thread. You can change the subject line, and again, using a merge fields to personalize the experience. And if you don't know what any of the replacement codes are, these are called replacement codes, these curly braces. You can click the replacements button up here, and that's just going to show you all of the various different replacement codes that are available. Just click on one, and then you can copy it and paste it wherever. So down here in the content is really what matters. So if I wanted to merge in the message that that person, or the question that that person asked in that form, then super easy. I just type message, and then those curly braces, and then the prefix meta, which just is shorthand for custom field, and then a period, and then followed by the name of the fields that we had originally chosen in the form. So going back to the web form, we see that that name is question. I actually got it wrong. So coming back to the message, it's meta.question. Would be the correct way to do it. So there we go. And we can just rename that to question so that when you receive the email, it's super straightforward. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. There we go. And then we can go ahead and save that, and we should probably activate it too. And now whenever someone fills out this form, I will receive an email, and that email will contain the question that they submitted from the form. So I hope that answers your question. I hope that enables you to start getting form fills from your site into your inbox so that you can start creating conversations with your customers. Thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.